Welcome back. Researchers say in spite of some new guidelines and recommendations, the vast majority of men with prostate cancer are not getting tested for cancer-causing mutations.
Dr. Neil Meridos explains how testing can impact patients and their families. Take a look.
Well, the MyRisk hereditary cancer test is a breakthrough in prostate cancer management. It essentially detects mutations in patients with prostate cancer because these patients could act differently. We know that one man is dying every 19 minutes with prostate cancer, and that these men that have these mutations have a 6 times greater risk of dying of their prostate cancer within 5 years compared to men that do not have this mutation. So we know their cancer is acting more aggressively, their cancer is presenting more advanced. And when we identify this mutation, we also know that these patients may be at risk for developing another type of cancer, such as colon or breast or melanoma. And also, if they have this mutation, they could have passed it down to their children 50% of the time, and their brothers or sisters could have this mutation as well. So active screening measures can be taken for that group in hopefully decreasing their risk by taking preventative measures. Earlier this year, there were guidelines that came out that stated that men who have a Gleason 7 or higher prostate cancer, that means patients with an intermediate risk or higher risk prostate cancer, and had a family member that had a cancer such as breast, ovarian, or melanoma, that those patients should get tested because they are found to have an increased risk of having a mutation and may behave differently. One of the reasons is that there's a complacency in the country that prostate cancer is an indolent disease, and so their patients may not get their screening. And now with recent literature that has been published that shows that screening decreases mortality, that men may be found earlier. And if these patients are found to be at increased risk by the MyRisk test, we can find disease at a very early stage and hopefully decrease the mortality. For more information, patients can be directed to hereditarycancerquiz.com.
And we'd like to thank MyRisk Hereditary Cancer Test for making that segment possible.